What should we draw today, Ella? Oh, how about a monkey? Oh, my brother Alex has a monkey for a best buddy. Okay, let's draw a monkey. Yeah. Today, we're going to use a pencil to draw so we can erase any lines we don't want at the end. We'll start near the top of the page and draw a big circle for the head. Then we'll draw a smaller oval shape at the bottom of the big circle. Now, what do we need? Ooh, we need eyes. Right. For the eyes, make small oval shapes. 1 and 2. And some eyebrows. We'll draw a curved line above the ovals. 1 and 2. For the face, we'll make 2 curves above the eyes. Now what? Ooh, a mouth and a nose. For the nose, let's draw an oval in the middle. We'll give them a big smile. We'll draw a line for the top of the mouth, then a big half circle for the bottom of the mouth. Oh. And add an extra outline. And a small curved line under the mouth for teeth. Let's give them a tongue by drawing a curved line inside the mouth. It's missing something. Oh, ears! Okay. They need an oval shape. We'll make 2 curves in the middle. 1 and 2. And do the same thing on the left. Hit pause on the video anytime you want to work on your drawing. Now what? How about a little patch of hair on top of their head? We can draw little loops. 1 and 2. They need a body. Yes! Starting from the bottom of the head, we'll draw a curved line down for the front and a straight line just to the right for the back. We gotta give them arms, right? Right. We'll draw 2 parallel lines coming out of the top of their body. Now let's draw a hand. From the bottom of the arm, draw some round shapes for fingers and a slightly smaller shape for a thumb. Now do the same thing on the other side. To give them a stomach patch, let's draw an oval in the middle. It's time for the tail. It sure is. Just need to draw a curvy line coming out from the back. Then draw a matching line coming back down to the body. Now we'll turn our pencil upside down and use the eraser to get rid of any lines we don't want. Like where the hair meets the head. Here, and here, and here. Wow, it looks great! Ha! Now it's time to color! Brown, beige, red, white, pink. Show off your drawing on our Facebook page. Jester Kids. Subscribe and join the fun.